Dear students, in our earlier video, we were studying about the operations of rational number, in which we learned how to add and subtract two rational numbers and had also completed one exercise on it. I hope you all have done it. Today we are going to study how to multiply and divide rational number. So, first topic is multiplying rational numbers. For multiplying the rational numbers, we want two rational number. So, suppose our first rational number is a by b and our second rational number is c by d. This dot sign will represent the multiplication sign. Then second rational number is c by d. Now, how to multiply these two rational numbers? First, multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. When you will multiply the numerator, it will give you AC, or we can say A into C, and when you will multiply in the denominator, it give you B into C. We can also say BD. That means for multiplying two rational numbers, first multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. Means in the numerator, product of numerators, and in the denominators, product of the denominators. Also keep in mind that plus will always give you plus. Means suppose our two rational numbers, we have two rational numbers and both are with the positive sign. Suppose 2 by 1 and 3 by 2. Here both the rational numbers are with the positive sign, so their results will also be with the positive sign. Means if you multiply in the numerator, it will gives you 6. Upon in the denominator, it gives you 3. Both the rational numbers are with the positive sign, so their result is also with the positive sign. Second is minus minus is equal to plus. Suppose we are having two rational numbers and both the rational numbers are with the negative sign, so their product will be positive in the sign. If one rational number is positive and another rational number is negative, suppose one example, minus 2 by 3, this is the one rational number, or you take plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into second rational number is suppose 4 by 2. Here the first rational number is the positive and the second rational number is negative. So what will be the product? 2 into 4 gives you 8, and this 2 is with the positive and 4 is with the negative. So their result will be negative. Upon the denominator, 3 into 2 gives you 6. So this is your answer. If one rational number is with the positive sign and another rational number is with the negative sign, their result will be negative. Next and last, if one rational number is negative and another is positive, or we can say both the cases are reciprocal to each other. If the first rational number is negative and the second rational number is positive, then their product will also be with the negative sign. Learn this. When two rational numbers and both are with the positive sign, their product will be positive. If both the rational numbers are with the negative in sign, their result will be positive. If one rational number is positive and another rational number is negative, their result will be negative in sign. That means we can say that product of same sign is positive. Product of same sign is positive. Same sign means if we are taking plus and plus, their product is plus. If I am taking negative and negative, their product is plus. That means the product of same sign is positive and the product of different sign is negative. If I am taking plus and minus, their product is minus. Product of same sign is positive and product of different sign is negative. Let's understand it by example. First example is 5 by 7 into 3 by 11. Here two rational numbers are given and we have to multiply it. So for multiplying the rational number, first multiply the numerator 5 into 3. Then upon multiply the denominator 7 into 11. 5 into 3 gives you 15 and 7 into 11 gives you 77. For multiplying both the rational numbers, first of all multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominator. You will get your answer. Next example is 20 into minus 1 whole 7 by 10. First of all, this is in the mixed fraction. So first convert it into the simple fraction. Here 20 is not having any denominator, so we can also say that the denominator of 20 is 1. We can say the denominator of 20 is 1. So first of all, change this mixed fraction in simple fraction. How you will change? 1 into 10 plus 7, which gives you 17 by 10 and minus sign will be as it is. So 20 into minus 17 by 10. Multiply the numerator gives you 20 into minus 17. Multiply the numerator. Here multiply the denominator. Here the denominator is 1. So when you will multiply the numerator, it will give you 20 into minus 17 and the denominator of 20 is 1. So in the denominator it will give you 10 into 1, which will equal to 10. Now you can cancel this 0 by 0. Yes, you can cancel it. Why? Because this is in the division. So this 0 0 will be cancelled and 2 into 17 gives you 34 and minus sign will be as it is. So this is your answer. In this question, we are not having any denominator of 20. So we can assume that the denominator of 20 is 1. So first of all, change this mixed fraction into simple fraction and then just do the same. Multiply both the numerators and then multiply both the denominators. Our next topic is dividing rational numbers. So for dividing the rational numbers, we also want two rational numbers. Suppose a by b and c by d are two rational numbers. Then how to divide this? The sign of divide is this, c by d. As you have already studied in your earlier classes that the reciprocal of divide is multiply. That means if here it is written a by b divide c by d, you want to convert this divide into multiplication, you will write a by b. If you will convert this divide sign into multiplication, this d by c will become opposite. Means d will written in the numerator upon c will written in the denominator. If you want to convert this division sign into multiply, you have to opposite these two numbers. Means the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. Here a by b divides c by d, it is written. So when you will convert a by b, multiply this d, the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. Now you have already know how to multiply the two rational numbers. Multiply the numerators which give you a into d and then multiply the denominator, which will give you b into c. That means if a rational number is given for dividing, first you convert the division sign into multiplication, then you multiply both the rational numbers. Let's understand it by one example. 5 by 14 divide 7 by 10. First of all, this is 5 by 14. Change this divide sign into multiply. Then this 10 denominator will become the numerator, and this numerator 7 will become the denominator. Now you know how to multiply this. You can also cancel this. If you can cancel this, this will divide by 2 and give you 5, and this, if you will cancel by 2, give you 7. Now 5 into 5 gives you 25, 7 into 7 gives you 49. Let's repeat this question. 5 by 14 divide 7 by 10. First of all, change this divide sign into multiply. If you will change this divide sign into multiply, the second rational number, the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator, means 10 by 7. Now this we can cancel by 2, which give you 5. And in the same way, if we cancel this 14 by 2, we get 7. Now, in the place of 10, the numerator is 5. So, multiply the numerator 5 into 5, which give you 25. And 7 into 7, which give you 49. This is your answer. Next question is 21 by 32 divide 7. Here also we are not having any denominator for 7, but as we know, if no denominator is given, we can suppose the denominator is 1. So the denominator of 7 is 1. So if you want to convert this divide sign into multiply, the denominator will become the numerator. What is the denominator of 7? The denominator of 7 is 1. So it will become the numerator, means 1, upon the numerator will become the denominator, means by 7. Here the denominator of 7 is 1. So what will be the reciprocal of this number? 1 by 7. I have written here. Now multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. 21 into 1 upon 32 into 7. 21 into 1 gives you 3. 21 into 1 gives you 21. This you can cancel it. Here I have written 21 into 1 upon 32 into 7. We can cancel this 7 and 21. If we divide 21 by 7, it gives you 3. So write here 3. And this 7 will divide by 7 gives you 1. Now in the place of the numerator, 3 into 1 gives you 3. 32 into 1 gives you 32. Let's repeat it. Here what is the question? 21 into 1 upon 32 into 7. You can cancel this both the numbers with 7. So if you will divide this 21 by 7, it will give you 3. So here you write 3. And when you will divide this 7 by 7, it will give you 1. So write here 1. Now in the place of numerator, 3 and 1. So multiply, when you will multiply this 3 into 1, you will get 3. And when you will multiply this 32 into 1, you will get 32, which is your answer. So our topic ends here. Tomorrow we will solve the exercise on this topic. Till then, you solve your previous exercise. Thank you.